For decades, infrastructure meant scale, strength, and precision. But in an age of climate disruption and environmental decline, that model must evolve. Around the world, a quiet shift is underway. Nature is becoming the blueprint for resilience. Wetlands reduce floods, mangroves protect coastlines, forests secure water, green spaces cool cities and boost public health. These blue and green solutions restore ecosystems, create jobs, and protect the most vulnerable. Yet they remain underfunded, undervalued, and often ignored in mainstream planning. The OPEC Fund and its partners are forging a new path, embedding nature into national policy, unlocking capital for hybrid systems, and connecting land, water, and biodiversity. This is the next frontier of infrastructure. Join us in building it.